Welcome, I'm Kim with WorkBreakStretch, and I am happy to have you here to move and stretch. Today we're going to focus on balance and stretching. We're going to hold a balanced position while at the same time we're stretching. So the first movement we're going to do is a knee hug with an ankle circle. So shift your weight into your right leg, slight bend in that right knee. I want you to go ahead, hug that left knee in towards your chest, and you're going to add some ankle circles with that left foot. Okay, you can either grab right below the knee or maybe behind the thigh, whatever is most comfortable for you. You can also do this one seated, but because we are challenging our balance today, I encourage you to go ahead and stand if at all possible. Okay, a few more ankle circles in this direction, and then switch directions of those ankle circles. And of course, if at any point you lose your balance, that's okay. Okay, that happens to all of us. Just get back into the stretch when you're able to. Let's do 2 more ankle circles. Set that leg down, give those legs a quick shake. Let's do the same thing, other side. So shift your weight into your left leg this time. You're gonna hug that right knee in towards your chest, okay? Add those ankle circles. A few in the one direction. I'll let you know when it's time to switch directions. And if it helps you to hold on to maybe a wall, a stable chair, your desk, you are more than welcome to do that. Switch directions with the ankle circles. So for this, we're loosening up through the hips by doing the knee hug, and of course loosening up those ankles with the ankle circles. 2 more. Set that foot down, give those legs a shake. Next on up, calf raise with a ceiling reach. Feet are about hip width apart. You're gonna raise your heels up off the ground, coming onto the balls of your feet. Just stay here for a moment, okay? You're keeping this lower body portion static. This is the balance part of it, staying on the balls of your feet. Now, raise those arms up towards the ceiling, reaching your fingertips towards the ceiling, maintaining this position for another about 10 seconds. Okay, so make yourself nice and tall. You're on the balls of your feet. I can definitely feel myself balancing here. Let's go for 3, 2, and 1. Come on down. Let's stretch our quads next to the front of the thighs. Shift your weight into that right leg. I want you to grab onto the left ankle, the left foot, pull that left heel in towards your glutes, and tuck your tailbone. Okay, tuck your tailbone, pull that left heel in, feel that stretch in the front of that left thigh. And try to keep your knees relatively close together, okay? A few more seconds on this side. And like I mentioned before, feel free to, hold on to something for a little bit of balance support if you want to. I'm gonna challenge my balance and not hold on to anything. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Release that left leg, and let's even ourselves out. Let's stretch that right quad. Okay, so grab the right heel, grab the right ankle, the right foot, pull that heel in towards your bottom, and remember, tuck that tailbone. Tuck the tailbone. As soon as you do that, you may notice that you feel that stretch even more in the front side of that right thigh. And take notice to that left knee. Make sure you're not locking it out. Make sure you do a gentle bend. Last few seconds here. Stretching through the quads, and of course, working on our balance. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead, release that leg down. Let's take one big breath in and out to wrap up this quick stretch break. Inhale those arms up. Exhale those arms down. And there you go. You moved, you stretched, and you balanced. You took a stand for your health.